I must confess I've underestimated this guy many times before in the past. But once I used it once, then it stopped. First of all, I'm gonna fill up the bottom of the chimney with paper or a fire starter. I'm gonna use just paper today, but you can easily use just this. For the paper, the only thing I'm gonna do is just drizzle over a little bit of oil, whatever oil you've got. Just a little bit right there, just to make sure that the paper doesn't burn before the coal is lit. You just flip it over, just like that. Don't put too much paper, otherwise you just block the airflow. If you don't have airflow, you don't have fire. Right, next step is just fill up the chimney with coal. I'm using briquettes, but you can use lumps as well. All the way to the top. Slide the paper underneath and put it in your grill because it's safer that way. Now there's going to be a lot. Come a bit closer. There's going to be a lot of smoke, white smoke coming in the beginning. So when there's no smoke, it'll be pretty much ready. Probably take about 15 to 20 minutes. That's when you go grab a drink. So now it's been 20 minutes since we started and it is perfect. I'm going to show you. It's very hot and there's a nice ash color on the coal, so that means it's ready. All we have to do now is tap it in and we're ready. And use some gloves because it's really hot. And it's slowly. Not that slowly. And I like to keep my coals in one side of the grill, so I have a hot side and a cold side. So I'm gonna grill this tomahawk steak. If you wanna see how I'm gonna grill this, well, you're just gonna have to watch the next video.